Hi class, today we're going to do what's called a close reading of a photograph and use what you think to fill out a graphic organizer. You're going to need to create your own copy of this graphic organizer, which you can find on page 17 of your textbook because there's not enough space to write on the version in the book. Get 3 pieces of paper, freeze the video, and make yourself 3 copies of the graphic organizer. We're going to do this exercise again at the end of this video and once more tomorrow. I know what you're thinking. How can you read a photograph? We're talking art, not an Instagram selfie or something like that. This is Annie Leibovitz, and this is her work. She's an American portrait photography artist. As you can see by this picture of actress Scarlett Johansson, Leibovitz doesn't take your average, everyday, ordinary pictures. So what is a close reading anyway? It's a careful, sustained interpretation of a text. In other words, you're reading it closely and examining it for details. You can do the same thing with a piece of art. For example, this is called Natalia Vodianova. Vodianova is a Russian model and actress. Let's take a closer look at the picture and go through the graphic organizer. First, I see a man leaning out of a train window and a woman with bags at her feet. I notice she has bags at her feet and it looks like they're kissing goodbye, but their lips aren't touching. I see 2 trains, steam, and an empty train station in a dark setting. To me, the pair has commitment issues. How did I come up with that? Think about it this way. The woman has bags packed, but she's not on the train. The man is stretching out of the window to kiss her, but he's not at the station with her. She's crossed the keep off the tracks line, which says to me she will cross some boundaries to get to him, but there are others, like leaving where she is, that she will not cross. She is dressed in cream, he's in a gray suit. They are both dressed well, so money is not the issue. Maybe the colors are saying whatever issues they are having, she's closer to being innocent than him. His suit isn't dark, but it isn't light either. Her dress isn't pure white, it's off-white. Take a real close look at the 2 of them, and they are not kissing. The image matters to those interested, I would say, in fashion and relationships. The creator of the image has an eye for contrast, angles, and lines. The effect of the image to me, the reader, is that the viewer has to take a stand. Either you believe the pair isn't together because of the man or the woman, which leads me to this statement of theme. When relationships go sour, one person usually gets all the blame, but both parties aren't innocent. So what's next? Now it's your turn to practice. Choose Fashion, Art, and Passion by Annie Leibovitz or Keith Richards by Annie Leibovitz. Do a close reading of the photograph you choose. Fill out a graphic organizer for it and bring it in tomorrow to turn in.